Hey guys, this is Jayesh, and today I will tell you how AADME helped me grow until now. So before enrolling in this course, I had a lot of questions in my mind, and I had a lot of challenges and problems like how to find your first client, how to talk to a client, what questions are to be asked in a discovery meeting, and what is the correct process to onboard a client, and many of that. After enrolling in this course, I found myself in a better position. I got solution for some of my questions. I got a lot of confidence with the help of this 21 days rise up challenge. Earlier, when I was not able to speak in front of clients, now I have some confidence because of this 21 days rise up challenge. And apart from that, I now know how to get first client, what are the things to ask to in a discovery call, and many more things. And with the speciality of ADME is that help link. With the help of that help link, I am able to get answers of many of my problems. And yeah, this is a very good thing, and that's how ADME helped me till now.